save time and considering the number of questions, I will not repeat the question itself. I'll just go straight to answering part A, which is the status of investigations into attack on Honorable Peter Salasya, MP at Harambe Buhaya Catholic Church in Mumias Town on 12 November 2023. Mr. Speaker, the Member of Parliament for Mumias East constituency, Honorable Peter Salasya, attended Harambe of Buhaya Catholic Church in Mumias Town on 12 November 2023. The event, organized by the Western Region Members of Parliament Caucus, was presided over by the Right Honorable Speaker of National Assembly, Honorable Moses Masika Wetangula. However, Honorable Peter Salasya was attacked by a rival of a group of young men when he was invited to address the congregation, resulting in a fracas that led to his injuries. He reported the matter on at Mumias Police Station, where it was recorded in the occurrence book under entry number 23 of 2020 of 23 of December 23/12/11/2023 at 2:25 p.m. He was advised to seek medical attention and complete a P3 form, a copy of which was provided to him. However, despite being invited by the investigating officer, the complainant, Honorable Peter Salasya, is yet to return to provide his statement to the police. As a result, the case remains pending under investigation due to complainant's failure to record his statement. On Part B, Mr. Speaker, status of investigations into violent altercations between rival groups at Bulimbo Primary School in Holera Ward on 2nd December 2023. Honorable Speaker, the funeral of the late Honorable Godliver Omondi, may she rest in peace. We served together in this house with Senator Boni Kalwale and Godliver. A nominated member of the County Assembly of Kakamega then was held on 2nd December 2023 at Bulimbo Primary School grounds. The event, attended by senior politicians, concluded peacefully at approximately 5:30 p.m. No incidents of violence or injuries reported or reports were made to the police in connection with the event. Part C, the status of investigation into altercation between Honorable FCPA Fernandez Baraza, OGW, Governor of Kakamega County, and Honorable Helsi Muhanda, Women Representative of Kakamega County, on 7th November 2024. Honorable Speaker, on 6th November 2024, Honorable Elsie Muhanda took to the podium to address mourners at a funeral in Imalamba, Eregi. However, her remarks reportedly provoked supporters of the Governor Barasa, leading to a commotion. A brief altercation ensued between the two groups, prompting police intervention, which swiftly restored order and prevented destruction of property. One individual who sustained minor facial injuries reported the incident, which was booked in 16/7/224 at Eregi Police Station. Despite police efforts, the injured individual declined